Krishna, your host and host of the day. Ginger is supposed to be a very important ingredient in Indian cooking. Ginger is good for digestion, for like any stomach upset or anything. Ginger is supposed to be a very good medicine. Today we are going to make a ginger chutney. It's also known, you can also call it the ginger sauce. It can be used with anything. You can have it with rice, chapati, bread, everything. The ingredients for this ginger curry are 100 grams of ginger cut in round pieces, 25 grams of green chilies small chop, 13 to 14 curry leaves, lemon sized jaggery, 2 red chilies broken to pieces, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of methi powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 lemon sized tamarinds pulp, 4 tablespoons of oil and salt to taste. Moving on to our preparation part of it, the first step is the ginger is there. We roast the ginger in oil. First we pour oil, and in this we'll add our ginger, 100 grams of ginger, round cut. Once our ginger is roasted, we grind it, we make it into a powder, not that, a bit of granule type. Keep it aside and then we move on to the further preparation. Moving on to the second part of preparation, we do the tadka part of it. For that, we add a bit of red chili, two pieces of red chili, mustard seed and curry leaves. Now our mustard is completed with its crackling and all. To this we add our green chilies. Our chilies are fried now. To this now we add the tamarind water. This is the tamarind pulp. Along with the pulp, we add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, methi powder and red chili powder. Salt to taste. Our ginger, which we add powder. It's like not too powder, it's like granules. We add that. Last but not the least, the jaggery. Jaggery, you get a sweetness of the jaggery and the spiciness of the chilies. We stir them, we let it boil till it becomes a bit thick in consistency, and our ginger chutney is ready to serve. Chutney. Now the tasting part of it. It's nice. It's got a lot of flavors in it. Spicy, sweet, bit of sourness. Very tasty. Imagine having it with rice or something. It's like delicious. You can have it with bread. You can have it with chapati. Anything this will go with. For our viewers, the tip of the day. Our coffee powder or all our drinks which we add in milk for kids, when we keep it outside, they all, because of the moisture in the air, they become solidified. In order so that it doesn't happen, if you store it in the fridge, it won't. It will just remain the way it is. You can keep it for as long as you want. For more tips, log on to aussiedeshi.com. Till then, bye bye.